Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can put image into text like the ones that you are seeing here. So make sure you watch this video to the very end because you are going to learn the method of how I was able to do this with pixellab. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So I'm going to delete everything that you are seeing here. I'll come over here, I will delete here, I will delete everything that you are seeing here. So we are now left with only our background, so we can come back to choose another background for it. So first thing first, this is what we do. You come over to text, then you bring in the text. So let's bring in the text here. Alright, so I'll come over to size, I'll bring it here. Okay, so now I'll come over to font, I'll choose a better font. I will use this for the sake of the training. Alright, so I'll enable it. I think you are good to go with this. So now I'll come over to color, I'll choose yellow as well. So I'll come over to stroke, so I will enable it. I will choose the stroke color to be white. So the stroke width, I will make it to be, okay, I think we are good to go with 16. Okay, now I'll come over to relative position. Alright, so now this is what we do again. You come over to copy, you copy it, then come back to relative position, you bring it. Okay, now this is what you do. You come over to here, you lock this one, you lock one here, and you hide one. So now we are now left with one text here. So this is what will happen. You come over to here, you bring in a shape, here, you cover here, you cover the space here. Alright, so let me change the shape color so that we can see what we are going to do here. So let me use this color. Alright, now you send it to back, you send the shape to back, send it to back. Now we are good to go with this. Now this is what happened. You come over here, then you merge the shape and the first text here, which is this one and this one. So this is what happened. You come over, you click on it again, you tick here and you tick this one here, then you come over here, then you merge here. Okay, so now this is what will happen. You come over to let's erase color, you come over to erase color, then you enable it, then you use the color picker, which is this one, which is here. You tap on the color picker, then you use this thing, you place it on the space of the yellow, and you click on it. Then you come over to tolerance, you bring it to, let's use 50. Okay, let's use 20 for this. Okay, let's use 20. Okay, you enable it. So now this is what will happen. You come over here, then you lock it up, then you import the image that you want to use. You import the image that you want to use. You click on import. Okay, for this I'm using this image here. Alright, so this is what will happen. I'll use the relative position to position it very well. Think I'm good to go with this. I'll come over, copy, I'll copy it again. I'll use the relative position to position it well again. Then I'll come over here, I will lock one and I will also hide one. So in this I'm going to lock this one, I'll also hide it now. So this is what happened. The one that is left here, saying you send it to back. You can see it now. Okay, before I continue, please, I'm going to use 2 seconds of your time. I would like you to subscribe to my channel. I would also like you to like this video. I would also I would also like you to leave a comment in the comment section. If you want me to use this method to design a birthday flyer, leave it in the comment section. Subscribing to my channel will encourage me to do more, so kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. So if you have subscribed to my channel, thanks for doing that. So let's continue. So now this is what we do again. You come over here, then you match the image with this image, then you match it with this shape here. Alright, so we click on it again. You come over, match, tick here, and you tick on this box and you enable it. Now the same process again. We come over to erase color, but this time we are erasing this color here, the color that I pick here. We are erasing it. Then come over to here, you increase the tolerance as well, so let's use 20. Alright, now we are good to go with this. So I think the tolerance that we do here is too much. Then come over to erase color again, reduce the color. Okay, I think we are good to go with 12. Alright, so now what we are going to do here is for we to come over here, then the image that we hide here, which is this one, we highlight it and unlock it. Then we come over here, we use the masking tools. Then you bring this one here, you bring it here, then you bring it here, then you enable it so that you can see what you are doing. So you bring it here. Alright, then you bring this one here. Alright, so you can see it now. Then you click on the check mark. Alright, I think you are good to go with this. Now you bring the second color back, this one, the second text that we add, you enable it, then you bring it back. Alright, so this is how it's going to look after we have gotten to this point. So I believe you have learned something new from this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. Subscribing is free. Subscribing to my channel will encourage me to do more like this. So kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. So now this is what will happen. You come over to the layers, then you match everything together. Alright, so we are good to go. Then we are now left with one element, so now we can move everything. Now you can also increase the size, you can also reduce the size, so I will leave it now. So in your own case, you can change the color to what you like. So you can change the color, you see how it's looking, you can change to put any color that you want. You can see the colors here, you can see how it's looking here, you can see how it's looking. So you can choose to put any color that you want. So make sure you have learned something new from this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now. Subscribing is free, and turn on the bell notification so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.